Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can join a meeting on Amazon Chime. So let's get started. So first open the Amazon Chime app on your computer or phone and go to the Meetings tab. After that, click on Join a Meeting. You'll see a list of all ongoing meetings as well as those scheduled to start within the next 30 minutes. Then you can either select an upcoming meeting directly from the list or manually enter a meeting ID to join. And then once you join early, you might notice that other participants aren't visible yet. That's completely normal. You'll see them appear on the roster once they join, or when the official meeting start time arrives. You can go ahead and turn on your video, microphone, or screen share while you wait. And if anyone else joins early, you'll be able to communicate with them before the meeting begins. And that's it. Now you know how to join a meeting on Amazon Chime easily, and even get in early to stay prepared. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.